Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Okay, children. So again, today we will have Geography, Class 8, topic Land and Soil. Today we will have exercise. So let's start exercise. A. Answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. First, land is generally used for dash. Options A. Cultivation of crops. B. Construction of buildings. C. Grazing livestock. D. All of this. Answer option D, all of this. Second, land owned by individuals is called dash. Options A, community land. B, public land. C, common land. D, private land. Answer option D, private land. Third, the term arable land means dash. Options A, cultivable land. B, degraded land. C, irrigated land. D, arid land. Answer option A, cultivable land. 4. River valleys have the best soil because dash. Options A, they are wet all the time. B, annual floods renew it with silt. C, they are low-lying areas. D, none of this. Answer option B, annual floods renew it with silt. 5. Terrace farming and contour plugging are practiced to dash. Options A, bring rainfall. B, conserve soil. C, erode soil. D, rear animals. Answer option B, conserve soils. Also children, the answer of each question is written beside each options. Now B, fill in the blanks. First, fertile river valleys and plains are densely populated because they are suitable to dash. Answer cultivation. Second, dash is the thin upper layer of the earth's crust made up of disintegrated dash and decayed remains of plants and animals. Answer in the first, topsoil. In the second, inorganic. Third, dash of soils occurs when irrigation is not accompanied by drainage. Answer water logging. 4. Two major problems that affect soil as a result of over irrigations are dash and dash. Answer in the first, excessive. In the second, irregular. 5. Fertile soils are called dash in the prairies. Answer Chernozems. Now let's see C. Give one word. First, soil that is found in Krishna Godavari Valley. Answer alluvial soil. Second, planted row of trees to check wind speed and soil erosions. Answer shelter belt. Third, growing crops on steps along hillside. Answer terrace farming. 4. Land with little or no vegetation. Answered desert land. 5. Soil found close to the river valleys. Answer alluvial soil. So children, now question number D. Study the table below and answer the questions. I have written only the questions and their answers. The table you have to see in the book in the exercise. Question first. Name the country that has the highest forest land. Answer Japan. Second. Which of these countries has least forested area? Why is this so? Answer UK. Because Britain cut its trees down to build its timber warship to defend themselves from the European fleets who tried to invade. Third, make a comparative study and find out which country has the maximum land utilizations. Answer India. Now question number A. Answer the questions in about 50 to 70 words. First questions. Why are land resources important? Why do we call it a limited resource? Answer. Land resources are important because it is used for different purposes such as construction of buildings, houses, canals, and for mining and manufacturing. Second, answer of second questions. We call it a limited resource because land covers 29% of the total area of the earth's surface, and of the small percentage, a large part is covered with ice or snow. Some parts are rugged or steep, climatically unsuitable for habitation. Also, some parts are waterlogged, forested, or a desert. Question number 3. What are the various measures adopted for soil conservation? Answer. Soil conservation is an effort made by humans to prevent soil erosions. Various measures adopted for soil conservation are: first, practice of terrace farming; second, control of the wasteful practices of slice and burn cultivations; third, control of deforestation; fourth, shelter belt can be made to check wind speed to control erosions. Question 4. Discuss the factors that control soil formation. Answer. Soils are formed through the interaction of 5 major factors: time, climate, parent material, topography and relief, and organisms. This each factor vary from place to place, which control the soil formation. Question 5. List out the causes of land degradation. Answer. Solid and liquid waste is constantly being dumped on the land. 23% of the world's usable land has been degraded. The main causes of the degradations are deforestation, overgrazing, agricultural mismanagement, and establishment of industries and urbanizations. Okay children, so these are the question answers of Geography chapter 2. Please write the question answers with objectives in the SW copy and keep ready for the corrections when the school reopens. Thanks for watching my videos. Children, if you like my videos, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you. We will meet again in the civics with the new lessons.